In this video, I'm going to show you about refund. Let me take this patient 2823. I'm taking this one and going in edit in place. And as you can see that here is only one record entry. So let me take some another data like 2824. Click on edit in place, and here is two entry, that is 300 and 300. Customer cancelled one order, and you can also see that 600 has been received. I deleted one. So due is minus 300 means advance. Let me save it. It has been saved. And press escape key, go here, go in receipt. Here is receipt. I made a refund of 300, that is received amount will be negative means minus 300, and clicked on save. So it has been saved. Now if I take print out, there will be only one record, that is 300, and 300 previous receipt was 600 and 300 was made refund. So let me check in here, and actually this is user summary. I goes here collection and user summary and taken all. Let me refresh this page, and you can see that here is 300 refund. Actually I there was selected bank account, that's why here is bank account, and that is lab refund. Refund will be reflected in user summary also. So it's working fine. Check from your side.